Hello, my name is Preethi. TRBEEE படிக்கலாம் வாங்க. Today we are going to see the set of 5 questions based upon the magnetic fields. The first question, which of the following is a paramagnetic material? So we know that the paramagnetic properties are due to the presence of some unpaired electrons, and it is slightly attracted by the magnetic field, we can say. So the paramagnetic materials such as like magnesium, molybdenum, lithium and tantalum, these are called as the paramagnetic materials. So as of now we can able to conclude that lithium is a paramagnetic material. For extra information, I can able to tell you that the paramagnetic materials are always having some net magnetic moment, whereas in the case of diamagnetic materials it is slightly repelled by the magnetic field. Okay, and it is not having some any net magnetic moment. So diamagnetic materials we can say like the copper, the silver, gold, these are called as diamagnetic materials. Okay, and next one we are going to solve the problem. A 2-meter long wire is bent into a circle. If the current flowing through the wire is 50 amps, find the magnetizing force at the center of the circle. So 4 different options have been given to you. Yeah, let us solve the question. So a 2-meter long wire, let us assume that 2-meter long wire is bent into a circle. Okay, so let us take a radius r. Yeah, so we know the basic formula like B is equal to mu naught into H, and H is the magnetizing force. So H is equal to B by mu naught, and also the magnetizing field intensity or magnetizing force H will be written to be as I by 2R. It can be written to be as I by 2R, where I is the current flowing through it and R will be the radius. So according to the given information, we can say a 2-meter long wire is bent into a circle. So we can say that is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to what? 2 meter. 2 meter. And r will be, what is the value of r? R is equal to 2 by 2 pi. Better we can write 1 by pi meter. Am I right? And the value of I is given to be as 50 amps. Just substitute here. So 50 divided by 2 into R will be 1 by pi. So 25 times 50. When pi comes on numerator, our answer will be 25 into pi. Please substitute the value of pi to be as 3.14. 25 into 3.14. Please solve this. You will get the answer as 78.5 ampere turns per meter. Okay, 78.54 AT per meter. Okay, just substitute the formula and find out the answer for this. And next we can move to next part, the third question. Yeah, which of the following materials have the higher retentivity of magnetism? So what is the meaning of the retentivity? So basically the permanent magnets or the magnets that do not dissipate under normal circumstances. So it means that they are made up of hard ferromagnetic materials which are resistant to become demagnetized. Okay, so the permanent magnets will be the having the higher retentivity of magnetism. So among the given things we can able to select the product like alnico. The alnico is a permanent magnet. It is having a higher retentivity of magnetism, and also we can say it is having a higher coercivity. Okay, so better you please select the option as alnico because it belongs to the category of permanent magnet. Okay, alnico is the correct option. Okay, the fourth one, the total force on a charge q moving with velocity v in the presence of magnetic and electric fields B and E respectively is called dash force. So we will be having the 4 options as Ampere's, Biot-Savart, Lorentz, Kirchhoff's law. So whenever we are talking about the things like the magnetic force and electric force, it means that it belongs to the Lorentz force. Am I right? So we know that this F is equal to Q into V cross B. So F is equal to Q into V cross B. It belongs to Lorentz force. where you go for Ampere's law and all, no, it is used to find out the magnetic field. When you take the Biot-Savart law, it is used to find out the magnetic field due to a current element. Okay, and Kirchhoff's law, we know that it is used to find out the current in an electric circuit. So whenever they talk about the magnetic and electric fields, please move on to the option like the Lorentz force Fc equal to Q into V cross B. Yeah, and the fifth question, when moving charge particle passes through a magnetic field, the force on it due to magnetic field does not depend upon what factor? So charge, mass, velocity, the magnetic field strength, different options have been given to you. So whenever it moves through a magnetic field, the charge particle, it will always experience as a force. Am I right? So Fc equal to Q into V cross B, just now we have seen that. But it depends upon the electric and magnetic field strength. But we cannot say about the mass of the particle. So it does not depend upon the mass of the particle. The force always depends upon the charge of the particle, velocity of the particle and the magnetic field strength. So you please move on to the option B. Yeah. So my dear friends, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for your support. Thank you.